have a very special muley, a longtime MuleSoft ambassador, a community leader, a role model for thousands and thousands of developers. He's an Agent Blazor legend, an Agent Fabric user. He has shaped the community and shaped the roadmap for MuleSoft. Please join me in welcoming Shravan Lingam to the stage. Shravan, thank you so much for being here with us today, and I know this is the favorite time of year for you.
Of course, yeah.
So you've been a part of the MuleSoft community for so long. It has helped shape your career in technology. I would love for you to share with the audience, what advice do you have as somebody getting part of this community and starting their journey in technology?
Thanks, Karuna. And first of all, I would like to thank everyone, and I am so honored to share this stage on the keynote, and I love my amazing MuleSoft community over there.
Woo!
The support. Yep, I'm proud to share my experience on how my career started with MuleSoft. So it was a decade ago. So I have been with this journey around 10 years ago. And when I started my career with MuleSoft, I was looking for the resources where I need to start. Of course, there were many resources online, but I wanted to know what is the best point or best place to start. Then I got to know there is a local MuleSoft meetup group in Hyderabad, India. Then I have attended this meetup, and I got so many connections, best advisors, and from there I started taking advices, cleared my certifications, and yeah, here I am today. And then I started thinking of how to give it back to the community. So then I started as a speaker, MuleSoft speaker. That's where I started contributing to the community. And then I became a MuleSoft leader for the same chapter where I have attended the meetup in Hyderabad, and then an ambassador. And recently I have been inducted into Hall of Fame this year.
Yes, congratulations.
Thank you. Yeah. Then I started sharing my knowledge through YouTube channel, and I have probably traveled around 10 different countries, and I always make sure that I meet at least one muley in that country. So my small recommendation, or you can take it an advice to the community, whoever wants to start their career in MuleSoft, is MuleSoft is very good at connecting systems. So advice is simple. Connect with the community, go to your local meetup groups or attend the virtual meetups, join our Slack channel, and meet the mentors, ambassador. We have some amazing community out there. Please give a shout out to the amazing community over there. And last note that I wanted to tell is we have seen many communities here, but MuleSoft community is not just a community, it's a family. So once again, thanks for
That's amazing. Well, Shravan, in recognition for all the work that you've done for the community in helping us shape the roadmap, it is my absolute honor to give you the coveted Golden Hoodie. Oh, got it? Thank you, Shravan.